my first attempt at filming a meal underway in the kitchen. So we're going to have burritos today. So I have some protein tortillas, and then I also still had some mission tortillas, and we're going to fill them with some refried beans, and we have some Hormel chili, and of course a boat just went by. We didn't have any boats going by, so of course now I've got a little bit of bounce going there, but the weight will die down here in a second.
Aloha, we are Sava, Cynthia, and Alex, along with our two dogs, Lucy and Shadow. We're traveling America's Great Loop, a 6,000-mile North American waterway from Florida to Canada and back down via the Mississippi. Follow us on this journey on our boat called Mahalo.
So, you can see the difference actually between the protein tortilla, which is these, the Hearty Healthy that have 12 grams of protein, and then you have your basic. So, I have sour cream, ranch, and of course you always can put in whatever you would like, right? But we love like the verde sauce, and we're going to add some pickles, some grated cheese, and some beans and everything. So that's where we're at so far. So we'll see how this goes, and I'm going to quickly wash my hands. Okay, so this should be very simple. Nice meal while underway, and then all we have to do is microwave. So I'll start off with a little bit of the beans. I'll put them right down the middle. And they always seem like they overfill faster than you want them to, right? To put all the goodies in. So there's lots of good ideas for meals underway. Some you can get that are already kind of pre-prepared, I guess. Ones that are quick, fast, or whatever it is the captain wants. So, first mate, Alex says he's not ready to eat yet, so that's fine. We can definitely do the Burger King, your way, all the way, and serve whatever people would like. I also bought some taco seasoning, I just remembered. So, we can also add some of this powder. Forgot about this. So quickly get this opened and ready, because I kind of like to have that so while it's cooking that it's blending in with the beans and the chili. So we're going to finish up here with the refried beans. And then we'll put in the chili. And I know that some people like to do this for breakfast and make it like a breakfast burrito, which would be a great thing to find. I like that tortillas keep well while underway. So it's a good thing, because sometimes bread's harder to keep. We do have bread on board, and like with everyone who boats, you end up using whatever your stuff is that's going to, your food that is going to expire first or go bad first. And I have another cheese. You can freeze cheese. I don't want like my cheese to be in the freezer. So we're going to put the cheese on. So since this is my first time doing this, I almost forgot to put the taco seasoning on here. But I'm not going to use today olives, and I have green olives and black olives, but I'm going to save those for something else. sauce is so nice. This is the mild version. And we have sour cream. I saw this really cool squeezy one in the last Walmart at the last port, so that I can put it on in quick little stripes, just to give a little extra flavor boost. And I'm debating whether to use my cucumbers or to use pickles. I do like cutting up the cucumbers in another dish, so I think we're going to go with pickles today. And pickles are kind of like cucumbers, right? So I'll just get several put across there. And maybe in your family, I like dill pickle, and my husband from Germany likes the sweet or bread and butter pickles. So what did we buy? We bought the sweet pickles, which is fine by me. I can do both, and I would rather that he have his favorite. Okay, so I think we got everything that we had laid out. I'm going to kind of wrap these and turn them over. Okay, they are ready to go in the microwave. So we're going to start with the first one. And my microwave is actually over here on this other side. And it's a microwave convection oven. I'm going to cover them. I'm going to put it on for a minute. This microwave, it works really well. And we'll go ahead and put our lids on some of these items and get them put back in the fridge. We do have some leftover of the beans and that, so I saved a container. Saved one of our cute little butter dishes, so I'm going to use that today to mix them, and I'm going to store those in this little dish. The microwave just beeped off. Your burritos longer if you had meat in them, or you'd have to fry the beans. Since these are vegetarian, we don't need to do extra cooking for the meat, so we're good on that. We are still, let me pop these in the microwave so they can cook too. We're going to add the leftover chili and beans into the same little container because we can mix it for some burritos tomorrow. So we have one done for the captain. We're going to put away the beans. Throw out this wrapper. We decided not to use the cucumbers. Marie and I separate back out our recycling. So pop these into the trash. We have the protein burritos and we have the regular burritos already, and we got our lunch. All right, follow along. Here I've arrived up on the bridge, and these are the burritos that I just made.
And they're very delicious.
And mine with the high protein tortilla.
Yeah.
Zav has.
No.
He doesn't like those with all the texture, but I do.
Yeah.
So, bon appetit.
Thank you so much, Cynthia. Appreciate it.